This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Kara Wisely. Welcome home to the serene and highly desirable Country Club Manor, a 55-plus community. The co-op fee is $222 per month, which offers you so many fantastic amenities to choose from. Enjoy private boat ramp access to Trout Lake, a heated community pool, shuffleboard, a fishing dock, and a host of events at the clubhouse that will keep you as busy as you choose. From the moment you pull up, you'll appreciate the curb appeal and widened driveway with a covered parking pad. You will immediately notice the spacious, screened, and covered lanai complete with a separate laundry and storage room. The kitchen and dinette areas are lined with cabinets and counter space that offers plenty of storage and a clean look that highlights the space. The living room and Florida room areas offer plenty of natural light and open space. The Florida room is lined with screens you can sit out there. With the exception of the side Florida room, the home is lined luxury vinyl and carpet. The primary bedroom has ample space and offers huge closet area. Your vanity and shower area are separate for added privacy. The second bedroom includes a huge space with built-in closet. The whole home offers neutral colors that are sure to match just about everyone's taste. The second bathroom has lots of space, storage, and a shower with a tub. Don't miss out on this gorgeous home. Ready to provide good memories for years to come. Make an appointment to take a look today. For more information, review the details below.